If you want personalized QR codes that look clean, match your branding, and make your business look more professional, you're in the right place. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create them, properly, and without any complicated design tools. These are the types of QR codes you'll be able to make by the end of this tutorial. Custom colors, unique patterns, frame designs, and even versions with your own logo built inside. Watch till the end, because I'll show you how to generate multiple QR design variations instantly without designing each one yourself. Let's begin. Go to brandedqrcode.com. You have two options, Create from Scratch or Design Assistant. We'll start with Design Assistant. Upload your logo, resize it, and you'll get 4 to 6 ready-made options. Pick the one you like, and then edit it to your liking. Now begin customizing your design, step by step. Choose your export size, pick your pattern shape, then your corner style, and then your frame style. You can also adjust the colors, your foreground color and your background color. You can also choose whether you want the logo centered or not. Next, start fine-tuning the details. Set your detail level, adjust your QR code size, set your padding, choose your border width, adjust your border round, then set your frame width, your frame round, your frame color, and finally your frame text color and text size. Once the design is complete, choose what you want the QR code to link to. You can enter a WhatsApp link, an Instagram link, a YouTube link, a Facebook link. You can also link it to a landing page. In this video, we'll link it to a URL. Enter the URL, download the QR code, and as you can see, it scans perfectly.